Okay, practice problem 3. I have a negative x squared and a positive, x cubed and a positive 3x cubed. There's a 1 here. So it's -1 and +3. Signs are different, so subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2x cubed. I have more positives than negatives, so it's positive. I don't ever start with a plus sign, so I don't have to write that one. Then I have a 5y squared. There's no other y squared, so it's going to stay the same. And my -2y, there's no other y's, so it's going to stay the same. This is as far as I can simplify. Final answer. Next one. Let's do purple. Okay, I'm looking for just y's. I have a y, there's a 1 there, write it if you need to, and I have a -2y. So signs are different, so I subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1y. I have more negatives than positives, so it is a -1. Then I have a positive 1y squared and a positive 3y squared. Signs are the same, so add. 3 plus 1 is 4. They're both positive, so it stays positive. And that is it. Final answer. This is why we did those integers, because you're going to need integers for solving equations. So practice, practice, practice. That's it for these. One more, and then your exit ticket today is actually working on IXL. So you'll do your IXL skill after this next practice problem. Okay, so our -3y and 2y squared like terms, why or why not? So I don't care about the coefficients, but I look at the variable, they're the same. I have a y and a y, but the exponents, this is a 1 and this is a 2. So no, -3y and 2y squared are not like terms, period. The variables are the same. So that's what it's supposed to be, but the exponents are different. So we are working on answering incomplete thoughts, making sure our sentences make sense, starting with capital letters, ending with a period, but the exponents are different. I chose to make this 2 short sentences instead of 1 long sentence. But that's just my preference. But that's the reason you should have. You need to be talking about the fact that the exponents are different. If you're missing those 2 words, you need to go back and edit your answer.